Alright, for one, happy Thanksgiving. Two, today we are installing Dobinson's rear suspension setup. It is the MRR 3-way. Right now I'm just installing the rears just because I'm waiting on some JBA, front upper control arms. So far it's been a pretty easy install. Right now I'm just tossing on the blocks, or finishing tossing on the blocks. And the next step will be actually adding the struts themselves. Yeah, so should be an easy rest of the evening. Just got it off, so let's do a little rundown on this side before my battery dies. Below, take off these U-bolts while you have a jack underneath and it's fully extended. It drops down. You slip this guy in on both sides, the actual block itself. There's a divot and a pin or guide pin. You just want to make sure those line up. Once they're both lined up on both sides, you put these new U-bolts back on, screw them up evenly, make it tight, and then you can toss on the coilover setup, or the suspension. Let's just go with that. I don't really want to feel like finding the words. Yep, so you do that, toss it in here. This is the factory one. Figure out what size this hole is, grab the correct one, toss it in the new suspension, and bolt it up.
Alright, if you enjoy alcohol, chances are, at some point you've been hungover, torn up, in the hurt locker. Well, here's a little secret.
What's the information? I know you know it!
Only installed the rears right now, but I'm going to go ahead and do the front once my upper control arms come in. Oh, that was a little excessive.